But it's not the worst game design Capcom has done in a Mega Man game. But with that, I'll see you on the other side. Alright, one more off the list. What the hell? Oh, what's going on now? What's wrong with this piece of junk now?
You have a lot of nerve to say that, given that this is your fault.
Who said that?
Hold on. I'm restoring your power.
Hi. Who are you and why are you in my computer?
My name is Contralto. And I'm here because your little marathon has unleashed some truly horrible games. So horrible, in fact, one is wreaking havoc on your system as we speak. So I'm going to help you beat them and put them back to rest.
Right. So are you an AI? 'Cause your voice is kinda...
How rude. It's not my fault. This is my first boot up. I haven't had time to update my voice module.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so if I'm understanding you right, these games are acting like malware to my system, and I have to beat them to get rid of it? And how are you supposed to help me, mysterious robot lady?
For now, stabilize and repair your system while you play the game.
Wait, that's it? You're not gonna break the game engine, power me up, nothing like that?
The power isn't going to keep itself on, and you're not beating Scrap without it.
Okay, fair enough. You said your name's Contralto. That's a musical term like rock and roll. Say... Since you're taking care of my power, are you my housekeeping?
Finish that sentence and I will hurt you. Go. Beat the game.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was certainly strange. I didn't see it coming. But, as the lady said, let's move on into the next game. Megaman for DOS. Good God. Just the title screen alone makes me want to throw up. As you see, we start out here in front of some kind of a guard shack with a silhouette of some kind of a cop or something back there. Give me just a moment. I need to fix a little something with the game here. This emulator isn't precisely... Oh, good God. Let me go, Wolfbot. Yes, that's actually the opening to this level, ladies and gentlemen, or rather this game. I've played only enough of it to make sure that it would run on the emulator. And from what little I've seen from a video I looked up when I first found out about this game, everything about it is ass. Starting with the control scheme. You move with the arrow keys, jump with the J key, and fire with the space bar. Fortunately, I was able to rebind that to a controller. But, as I'm sure you can already hear, or rather, not, this game is completely devoid of any and all music. One of the best aspects of any Mega Man game. I may or may not have some kind of music kick in right around here, just to make up for that for you guys. You will quickly learn that this game is not in any stretch of the imagination by anyone's means fair or balanced, or even just well designed, or even mediocrely designed. I understand that at the time they had very limited resources to work with. That being said, this is clearly inferior to even the first game on the NES. And welcome to the toxic YMCA swimming pool, ladies and gentlemen. At the very least, we've reached a continue point. Contralto wasn't kidding when she said this game was awful. It's not just wreaking havoc on my system, it's wreaking havoc on my eyeballs, on my ears, on my... Do I really get damaged from the fucking water spout there? I'm surrounded by water, but standing in front of the spout hurts me. That is retarded. Well, maybe not. I'm not sure what was hurting me then. Oh. See if I can't just power my way through here. Alright, and on to the next batch of dumb fuckery. Jumping here feels really awkward. I don't know if perhaps that's just an effect of having just been in the water like that. Or if it's actually something to do with this area. This juncture, really it could be either or. These enemies, by the way, will spawn infinitesimally. They will never stop hunting you down. And if one happens to catch you while you're on a ladder, well, you're fairly well just screwed. Which is to say nothing of these little shots just coming out of nowhere with the pipes. Get back over here, rat. You rat bastard. Another thing those of you with a keen eye and strong stomach may have already noticed is that this game only has 3 bosses. I'm fair certain, just from what I've seen alone, that's going to be 3 more than enough. And of course, no Mega Man game could be complete without disappearing blocks of doom. Made even worse by, well, pretty much everything from this game. Controls, the control scheme, the engine. But it seems we are off to meet our first boss, Sonic Man. The key to beating of which seems to be staying directly below him. Or perhaps not. devoid of invulnerability frames, however. So matching height and spamming the buster is definitely a working tactic. And so we've acquired our first weapon. Sonic Man has been destroyed, new weapon system has been adapted to the plasma cannon. Press fire. Now, I don't know if you can consider this a weakness chain. Rock, paper, scissors, perhaps? But clearly this has to be somebody's weakness. Whose? Your guess is as good as mine, especially since I really don't know what the difference between Dynaman and Voltman would be. But with no idea how long these levels could drag out, I think I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short, and I'll see all of you on the other side.